What's up, YouTube? Yet another Adidas sneaker unboxing slash review. As you can see, this is a pair of NMD R1s. Adidas box footage, flashing my watch, Adidas box footage. Okay, let's check out what's inside so I can get to the meat and potatoes of the video. My affiliate marketing links. So here we are at the meat and potatoes of the video. The sneaker has been unboxed. I get to tell you that you can check these out on my StockX affiliate marketing link. That link's in the description. Great pair of shoes right here. A triple red NMD. Like, this is fire. If you like Adidas, I think you should heavily admire the shoe. We're gonna try our best to get these on foot here in a second. Please let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Great pair of shoes here. Like, it's incredible. These NMDs are really nice. There will be another affiliate marketing link to get yourself a pair of joggers that'll look solid with these, or jeans, nudies maybe. It'll be an Amazon affiliate marketing link. Once we get that on foot footage going, you can see for yourself how fire these shoes look. Let's check it out. Let's check them out. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.